Looking for a motherboard that perfectly balances premium features with solid value? The MAG B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 is designed around Intel's latest B660 chipset, delivering just that for 12th Gen Intel Core processors. Whether you're gaming or building a powerful workstation, this ATX board offers reliable performance without breaking the bank. What sets this motherboard apart is its 12 Duet Rail Power System with Core Boost technology. Equipped with dual 8-pin power connectors and 60A DrMOS, it handles heavy CPU loads effortlessly. That means you can push demanding games or applications without worrying about power bottlenecks or instability. Memory performance also gets a serious boost here. With 4 DDR4 DIMM slots supporting speeds over 4800 MHz through MSI's Memory Boost and XMP profiles, you'll enjoy smooth multitasking and fast load times. Plus, the fully isolated DDR circuit ensures clean data signals, which translates to better overclocking potential and gaming stability. Cooling is another strong suit. The MAG B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 features an extended VRM heatsink paired with high-quality thermal pads to keep temperatures in check. Its premium 6-layer PCB with thickened copper enhances heat dissipation and durability. The M.2 Shield Frozer protects your SSDs from thermal throttling, maintaining peak storage speeds during intense sessions. Connectivity options are comprehensive. You get 3 Gen 4 M.2 slots, a PCIe 4. 0x16 slot with steel armor for your graphics card, and support for AMD Crossfire if you want multiple GPUs. Networking includes 2 5G LAN, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5. 2, so you're covered for fast, stable connections whether wired or wireless. A real user from the US praised this motherboard for its simplicity and functionality. They highlighted the 6 fan headers, enough for complex cooling setups, and appreciated the straightforward BIOS that made enabling XMP profiles a breeze. The clean design without flashy RGB fits well in any build, offering performance without unnecessary distractions. If you want a motherboard that supports your 12th Gen Intel CPU with solid power delivery, advanced cooling, and fast memory support, the MAG B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 is worth a look. It's built to handle demanding tasks while giving you room to grow your system with plenty of fan headers and expansion slots. Ready to upgrade your build? The MAG B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 combines value, durability, and performance in one package. Try it when you're ready to take your 12th Gen Intel PC to the next level.